Hi, my name's Kevin. I'm from Leicester in England, and our family has had an apartment in Puerto Banus for 30 years. My parents bought the apartment and spent a long time down here over the next years. However, eventually they got too old and stopped coming, and 3 years ago me and my brother decided that we would put the apartment out for rental. We didn't want it left open because we were still working. We approached Lola in Banus Rentals primarily because they were 100 yards away from our apartment, and she came and visited us. She said the apartment was nice, but it did need renovating. So for the next year we had it renovated. Lola organised an architect who was really good, and we were very, very happy with the job. We've been renting it now for almost 2 years, and the whole thing has been a big success. We're very pleased with the number of weeks we've had rented, and the communication and process and help from Banus Rentals has been excellent. Therefore, myself and my brother Steve would have no hesitation in recommending Banus Rentals to anyone who has an apartment in Puerto Banus or the area and who would like to rent it out.